Welcome to this leveling up playlist here on YouTube. So what's going to happen with leveling up? Leveling up is going to be quick videos that are going to be light bulb moments for you. So we're looking at quick goals for you to be better. So what do we mean by leveling up? Leveling up means tweaking what you're already doing to make yourself even better. So as I mentioned, quick goals. So we want between 5 to 15 minute videos that are going to give you information that you can actually work with straight away and make your videos or your live recordings or your courses or your marketing funnels or your planning and strategy, all these things, or writing blog posts. You can implement these straight away and get a result instantly. So this is the idea behind leveling up. Now you're watching this on our YouTube playlist, but these videos get put straight into Facebook and then they pop up on our YouTube channel, this playlist as well. Now, as well as that, what you might not be aware of is there's a companion pack that goes with this. This companion pack is a course. Inside that course, there is a community. There is also assignments for you to do. Now, you might not be interested in submitting your own assignments, but I'm going to tell you why you should. If you submit the assignments, it means we can see what mistakes you're making now or how to make it better. So it means we can tailor videos specifically for common errors that happen in most videos. Now luckily we know most of the common errors, but there might be some that we didn't spot. So by sending your assignment to us, we can pick up on those and we can do a video on that. So at the end of it, what we want you to do is submit how you're doing after you finish that section, because the companion pack is built into sections, such as there might be a live and recording section that will give you tips on all of that area. So all the recordings that we're doing on Facebook and YouTube, they're all going to go into the companion pack. So it's a good place to actually catch up or not miss anything. Now the other beautiful thing about the companion pack is there's a community tied to it. So you can talk, you can ask questions. It also means that we might occasionally run lives just for those people that are in the companion pack. Now there is a caveat with the companion pack. You have to make sure that you submit the assignments. If you do not submit an assignment, you cannot carry on through the sections of the course or to the next lesson. This is a prerequisite. This is the one thing we ask you to do. Now, material you do submit, and this is all labeled in there, you'll see information on this, but material you do submit before and after, we can use that material, and we ask your permission before joining the course, and we can use that in our promotional material ourselves at Zenler. Now your name will never be given out, or emails or personal detail, any of that stuff. But also instructors coming in will also have the right to use that material for that particular section that they're teaching. So it's entirely up to you whether you want to be part of this community and this absolutely amazing companion pack that goes with it. And I would say to you, I would say strongly, join the companion pack if you are serious about course creation. If you just want to watch the videos and maybe not implement them, or choose to implement ones at random, that's entirely up to you. You can do that. But if you're serious about implementing changes and making yourself better as a course creator, you really want to make sure you're in the companion pack and you're joining in, engaging and sending in your material to us for us to assess, critique, and obviously add in as extra tips along the way. So we are super excited about this. All our team members here at Zenler are going to be involved in this leveling up series, plus some of the experts in the Zenler group as well. So people instructors that are actually using the Zenler platform themselves will also be invited in to do key speaking on quick tips within Zenler itself and external programs. So we are super excited about this. I hope you love it. If you don't want to get involved in a companion pack, just watch, subscribe to YouTube, hit the bell. Whenever we put a new one up, you'll be notified of it, or just stay active in our Facebook group and you'll see the posts come in there and you can join and engage in there if you wish. It's entirely up to you. For all the links on this, you can find it all below. In all of the videos, we'll put the links to the companion pack in there if you need to go in and join it. So enjoy this leveling up series and we'll see you soon.